Hi, in this video we're going to be working on prime on the trombone part, on trombone, and we're going to focus on measures 11 through 16. So I'm going to walk you through it and then I'll put it together and play it. So at 11 we've got a half note B flat and a half note F, and we're mezzo forte, so medium loud. Then measure 12, half note B flat, go out to third position for the E flat, and then I would say for 13, because you're going from F to C and back, sixth position for all of that. So F, C, F, and then 14, go back to first for the B flat and F, then 15, B flat half note, C, E flat in third, C in sixth, those are quarters, and then you're going to come up to an A flat in third, down to an F in first. So you want to make sure that C to A flat. You want to make sure you get high enough on your interval. So I have my metronome set at 151 beats per minute, and I'm going to start at 11 and play through 16 for you. 1, 2, ready, 11. And I know that's pretty fast. You can certainly slow it down and work it out at your own pace. And then when you're ready, use the metronome, speed it up until you can do it at 151 beats per minute. I'm going to do that one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 11. Okay, so that's it for the trombone part, and make sure that you really bring out that A flat. Accidentals are always going to be really important, that they are heard amongst everything else that's being played. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.